Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy vegetable pasta. First, gather ingredients and tools so you can work without interruptions. Chop vegetables and get pasta boiling while you prepare the sauce base. Sauté garlic and vegetables until tender, then blend with cream or milk for a silky texture. Combine sauce with pasta, adjust seasoning with salt and pepper, and finish with fresh herbs and grated cheese. Warm a pan with olive oil and gently sauté onions and garlic until fragrant and translucent. Add carrots and broccoli first, then toss in zucchini or bell peppers later for balanced texture. Keep vegetables slightly crisp so they hold shape when mixed with the sauce. Season gradually and taste as you go, adding a splash of lemon or a pinch of chili flakes for brightness. This layered cooking brings maximum flavor to the dish. Create a base by blending sautéed vegetables with cream, milk, or a nut milk for a lighter option until smooth. Return the sauce to the pan and simmer gently, thinning with reserved pasta water to reach a silky consistency that clings to pasta. Stir in grated Parmesan or nutritional yeast for umami, then fold in chopped basil or parsley. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, and keep the sauce warm until you toss it with pasta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.